Okay, we are back at the Jazz and Mirabel Park and Club, I think it is. And we're on the park side and we're a little room tour. So much the same as last time. Got some wardrobe space in here as you come through the door. Safe, 2 drawers, extra pillow duvet up the top. Come around into the bathroom, standard bathroom, toilet, sink mirror, some liquid soap there, body lotion, our bits and pieces, towels, shower with shower gel and shampoo there. Good pressure on the thing, big mirror, there's me. And then here, place for your suitcases, standard, full length mirror, little mirror, tea and coffee, all that jazz there. Little telly with some English channels on it. Fridge in there with a little chill bit up there, pretty new. This room's slightly different from, I think, from the one we had last year because it had an arch in it, you might see that. We've got a double bed there, 2 lamps, obviously, standing it. There's a couple of, well, there's an ironing board there at the moment, but there's 2 chairs that go around that table there out on the balcony. A little pop-up bed, I suppose, we might change that. Curtains, he's done a nice job of that. Seems a shame to ruin them. If I can get them open, bear with us. There we go, we can have a look on the balcony where I've put the other chairs. They're the 2 chairs there that should be in there. There's your normal chairs, a little rack there for your washing, and there's your view. Very nice. I'm sure you'll like it.